Choosing the right soldering station can be challenging. Unstable temperature, slow heating, poor precision, and bulky designs often affect your work quality. That's where modern digital soldering stations make a difference. They offer fast heating, accurate temperature control, and compact designs for better efficiency. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best digital soldering stations, perfect for PCB repair, mobile fixing, and professional electronics work. We researched real user feedback and performance to build this list. Check the description for updated prices and links. Number 5. Silverflo 8586D 2-in-1 Soldering Station. The Silverflo 8586D is a versatile 2-in-1 soldering station that combines a soldering iron and hot air gun in one compact unit. It features dual digital displays for precise temperature monitoring and control. With fast heating and a 10-minute sleep mode, it helps improve efficiency while saving energy. The hot air gun is perfect for SMD rework, chip removal, and PCB repairs. Its stable performance and multifunction design make it a great choice for beginners and technicians who need flexibility in one device. Number 4. OSS T12X Plus Soldering Station. The OSS T12X Plus is a powerful soldering station designed for precision and speed. It uses T12 tips, known for their rapid heating and excellent temperature stability. Ideal for PCB repair and mobile phone board work, this station delivers consistent performance even during long sessions. The digital control system ensures accurate temperature adjustment, while its compact design keeps your workspace clean. If you need a reliable and efficient tool for detailed electronics repair, this model is a solid choice. Number 3. PJLSW 8858 Hot Air Gun Station. The PJLSW 8858 is a compact hot air rework station built for portability and convenience. With a 650-watt heating system and LCD display, it offers precise temperature control for delicate soldering tasks. Its lightweight, pencil-style design makes it easy to handle during SMD repairs, IC removal, and mobile board work. Despite its small size, it delivers strong and stable airflow for efficient heating. Perfect for technicians who need a portable yet capable hot air solution for quick repairs. Number 2. YIHUA 982 Rapid Heating Station. The YIHUA 982 stands out with its ultra-fast heating performance and compatibility with C210 soldering handles. It reaches working temperature in seconds, making it ideal for professionals who value speed and precision. The station offers stable temperature control, ensuring consistent soldering results for PCB and electronic repairs. Its ergonomic design improves handling during long work sessions. Whether you're repairing circuits or working on advanced electronics, this station provides reliable and efficient performance. Number 1. AIXUN T3A T3B Intelligent Station. The AIXUN T3A and T3B are high-end intelligent soldering stations designed for professionals. They support multiple tip types including T115, T210, T245, and T12, offering unmatched flexibility for various soldering tasks. With advanced temperature control and fast heating, they deliver precise and stable performance. The smart interface enhances usability, while the powerful output make them ideal for PCB, BGA, and advanced repair work. If you want top-tier performance and versatility, this is the ultimate choice. If you want precision, speed, and reliable performance, digital soldering stations are a must-have. These 5 models offer great features for beginners and professionals alike. Whether for PCB repair or advanced electronics work, there's a perfect option here. Which one do you prefer? Let me know in the comments.